In that tutorial, you are going to learn how to create a higher-lower guessing game in Java with Eclipse. In a higher-lower guessing game, the computer will come up with a number between 1 and 1000. The player must then continue to guess numbers until the player guesses the correct number. For every guess, the computer will either say too high or too low, and then ask for another input. At the end of the game, the number is revealed, along with the number of guesses it took to get the correct number. So to create the higher-lower guessing game, we create a guessing game class. We create a random static property and a max number property, which will be used to define the max number to guess. We generate a random number to find between 1 and 1000 by calling the next int method of the random object created previously. Then we instantiate the scanner object, which will be used to get user input. We define local variables to store number of tries and the user guess. We keep the game going until the user guesses correctly the number. First, we display a message to the user indicating him to enter a number. Guess a number between 1 and 1000. We get the user input by calling the next int method of the scanner instance. Then we increment the number of tries, and we test if the user is guessing within the bounds of the game. If the user guess is outside of the bounds, we indicate to the user that the number is outside the bounds. If the user guess is lower than the number to find, we display a too low message to the user. And if the user guess is greater than the number to find, we display a too high message to the user. If we exit the loop, the number found is the number to guess. We display a congratulations message to the user with the number tries used to find the number. We close the user input by calling the close method. And now we can run our higher-lower guessing game in the console by clicking on the Run button. So, we guess a number between 1 and 100. We enter 50. We are too high. We use a dichotomy strategy to find the correct number to guess. 25, 37, 32, too high, so 27, 29 is the good number found in 6 tries. Our game works correctly. That's all for that tutorial. To discover more tutorials on Android development and Java development, don't hesitate to subscribe to the S Sorel channel.